OnPassive will soon take over the internet. The internet is ripe for the taking. OnPassive will not take any prisoners. No company stands a chance to survive when OnPassive opens for business. Look at the arsenal that OnPassive has under its roof. More than 50 state-of-the-art products poised to wreak havoc on all companies thriving on the internet and thinking that they are invincible. That kind of thinking borders on delusional. Each of the more than 50 or more products designed by OnPassive could be a standalone, multi-billion-dollar business. That does not seem fair. Many other companies have just one product. One product that they must compete against another company. OnPassive has over 50 products. It does not stop there. Those other companies, with their one product, compete with other companies, with the same one product. How can all of them stay in business? They are fighting against each other. How smart is that? The products that they have are outdated and overpriced compared to OnPassive's mega inventory of digital products, over 50 built from the ground up, and priced lower than any of those other companies' products. Are you beginning to see just how scared of OnPassive these companies are? Each OnPassive product could be a separate company. And yet all OnPassive's products are under one roof. The massive roof of OnPassive. The big bullies of the internet will be reduced to a size that their customers will no longer be afraid of them. OnPassive will neutralize all bullies. And the customers of those companies will give OnPassive thunderous applause and a standing ovation. Yes, the internet is ripe for the taking. OnPassive will establish order on the internet. No one will fear using the internet because the customers will be using OnPassive's products. Anything that their hearts desire will be satisfied when they use OnPassive, to get their businesses moving in the right direction. The competitors will eventually surrender when they find out that OnPassive cannot be defeated. Some of them may reluctantly start using OnPassive's products. That is the power of OnPassive. Millions of users will be liberated from the bondage that they were under with those unfair companies. OnPassive will be a breath of fresh air. That is exhilarating. The sweet smell of success for the users and the bitter taste of defeat for OnPassive's competitors. OnPassive will make it safe for anyone to venture on the internet without fear or trepidation. OnPassive will be the reliever of anxiety and depression for all its users of its products. OnPassive will cause fear and anxiety for all its competitors. What a welcome relief. Mr. Ash Mafare, the creator of OnPassive, and his technical staff are waiting at just the right time to unleash this giant call OnPassive. Mr. Mafare is controlling how and when to release not all OnPassive's products, but one at a time. He is making sure that each product is beta tested by OnPassive's founders to make sure that every product performs flawlessly. As each one passes inspection, the gatekeeper, Mr. Mafare, lets it out to the public. That is what is called a genius. Each product released will be better than any product any other company has. As an example, one OnPassive product is called Ocademy. Ocademy is a state-of-the-art e-learning platform, vastly superior to any other thing, named e-learning. That product forms an industry that is $500 billion business. How do you think other companies will feel about Ocademy? They will be petrified. They know that their market share will be drastically reduced. They will try to adjust but to no avail. Ocademy will take control of that industry. Remember that is just one of the more than 50 products OnPassive has developed. OTrim is another product that will go through the same beta testing to make sure that it works perfectly. Then Mr. Mafare and staff will open the gate to let OTrim out. OTrim is not a weight-reducing product. It is a length-shortening tool for long URLs. It is a much-needed and exceedingly popular product. That is a standalone product. This product will reduce the field of companies in that industry overnight. Those two OnPassive products open OnPassive's doors for business. That will indeed be a glorious day for all lovers of OnPassive. Founders of OnPassive all over the world will be crying. The tears would be tears of joy. The users of products made by other companies will be having tears of joy knowing that they have a company ready to take them in and treat them with love and care. There will also be others crying, but for a different reason. Their tears will be tears of sadness knowing that their businesses are about to close permanently. OnPassive's effect on businesses will be felt online as well as offline. A complete takeover. Founders are happy that we stayed and supported Mr. Ashmafare and his family and staff. We are about to get rewarded. And so, will the customers of OnPassive. Thank you. Thank you. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.